It's obviously a very tough planet for a lot of people and a lot of groups. If you look, when Ukraine was attacked, America sent them help. When Israel was attacked, America sent them help. Even Palestine, they have friends. They have Iran, they have Saudi Arabia, they even have America sending them money. Even Elon Musk, he promised to restore their internet back. You see, they're not alone. But when you were attacked, who came to your defense? It's a big question. You may have survived the crocodile on the water, and you made it out of the water, and then the hyena is coming. The hyena is not coming to help you. The hyena is trying to turn you into breakfast. And after the hyena, the leopard is coming, and the lions might be coming too. Who came to your defense? The only person who has come to your defense from day one is God. The universe comes to your defense. America may not come to your defense, but God himself is there for you. But I have one advice for you. You got to look for workers. There are some people here, this is a very tricky planet. There are workers who are politicians. Stay away from them. These workers can be farmers, but they're not just farmers, they are politicians. And there are workers who are like doctors, but there are also doctors who are politicians. Stay away from them. You want to stick to the people who are workers, because workers just want to work. If you give them a hoe, they just want a hoe. If you give them a stethoscope, they just want to listen to patients' heart. And they're looking for people to listen or treat patients. That's their modus operandi. That's your way up. These workers, they're not political. They're not thinking, oh, you are not fashionable, you're not 6 foot tall, you don't have a big bomb. They're not thinking like that. They look at you as a human being. These are the workers. You want to find them because they are the ones who are going to help you get up from your situation and keep you away from the hyenas who are trying to make breakfast of you. Over and out.